Welcome to EMAX India. Today we will discuss about how you can enroll your staff member in your admin panel so that they will also can teach your students through their panel and also they will receive their ID cards through this. So for this, firstly you have to open EMAX India website and go on center login button. When you click on center login button, you will receive a page of dashboard here. In dashboard option, you will receive a option of users. When you click on users option, you will receive a page where is your staff member details are available. To add your staff member, you have to click on add user option. Here, you have to mention their mail ID. As for that, we are mentioning it. Then their username. It means their name with @emaxindia.in. Suppose the student name, the staff member name is demo. Then we can mention demo @emaxindia.in. Then password you have to fill here. You can mention any password. After this, user role, you have to select here sales, employee name. Then employee photo you can upload here. You also can adjust their photos through zoom in and zoom out. Then click on done button. The photo will be uploaded here. The designation of your staff member, trainer or receptionist, you can mention from here. Then your staff member contact number. Then upload documents. Their ID proof you can upload here. You also can adjust through the zoom in zoom out option. Then click on done button. The ID proof will be uploaded. The permissions. What kind of permissions you can provide to your staff member through your admin panel. Just like if you want to provide them student add option, you can select on this one. You want to provide them exam option also. You can select that option also from here. You want to provide them wallet option. You can select here. Whatever authorities you want to provide to them, you can select from here and then click on add user option. After this, as you can check, the staff member details will be shown here and also their ID cards will be shown in the option of ID card. When you click on ID card option, you will receive their ID card here. You also can print and provide to them. And also for their experience letter, whenever they leave from your institute, you have to contact through our executives. Our executive will inform you the procedure. When you follow this procedure, you also can provide them experience letter through this. So today we learned how you can provide your staff member ID panel through EMAX India. So just like that, if you have any update or feedback regarding your admin panel, please share to us. Your feedback helps EMAX India get better. Thank you.